welcome to Sparkla. Today we are going to learn how to do sleek ponytail for medium to long hairs. First, section your hair from ear to ear and tied. Now make a tiny ponytail on the top of your head as it gives a strong base to your high ponytail. I am using 99% human hair extensions. Around the ponytail, gather all your hairs from nab area and tie it into that ponytail. Use hairspray and comb your hairs properly to create a sleek look. Now do the same to the front ear-to-ear portion and tie it into a ponytail. Remember, comb your hairs properly to create a sleek look. Take a small section of hair, comb it, apply some hairspray, and cover the hair elastic or hairband with it. Enjoyed the video. You can wear this fabulous, sleek, high ponytail at any special event or on a romantic date. Please like my videos, share it, and subscribe my channel for latest updated videos. See you soon. Thank you for watching.